G'day, I'm Harvey Carretero from Oliver Hume Real Estate, and I'm delighted to be here today on behalf of Resi Ventures at Evoke in South Morang, the jewel of the north. Today I'm giving you a construction update, and as you'll see in the background, concrete slabs have been poured. They're for our first 21 homes as part of Stage 3. Stage 2, our undergrounds are now complete with concrete slabs to follow shortly. We're now sold out of Stage 1, 2 and 3, and we're focusing on our new release, which is our central release, which consists of 4 two-bedroom townhomes, all with generous backyards, perfect for entertaining. Come visit Ali. We're here Saturday to Wednesday, 11 till 5 at 510 Findon Road, South Morang.